Hello students, this is video number 12 for the subject soil mechanics, and in this video we will see a numerical. So let us start. A compacted cylindrical specimen 50 mm dia and 100 mm length is to be prepared from an oven dry soil. So there is oven dry soil, and using that soil we have to prepare a specimen of size 50 mm dia and 100 mm length, a cylindrical specimen. So something like this we have to prepare from over dry soil. This is the dia is 50 mm and the length is 100 mm, correct? Now if the specimen required to have water content, now whatever specimen we are constructing, it is required that the water content must be equal to 15%, and also percentage air void should be equal to 20%. Okay, and then we have to create the specimen. So the question is, how much amount of soil and how much amount of water will be required? Okay, what is the mass and what is the mass of soil and water required for the preparation of sample? G has been provided. So let's begin. So what we have been provided with is water content 0.15, sorry. So what we have been provided with, water content 0.15, Na 0.20 and G 2.69. We have to find the mass of the soil and mass of the water required for preparing such a specimen. Okay, so let us assume that Ms be the mass of solids. Okay, Ms be the mass of solids in kg. Okay, this is our assumption. Okay, now can you tell me what will be the mass of water? Mass of water, if the mass of solids is Ms, then what will be the mass of water? We know that water content is equal to mass of water by mass of solids. Okay, so from here we can get mass of water is equal to water content into mass of solids. Okay, this mass of water, this will be multiplied here. So this is what we get. Okay, so mass of water is equal to water content into mass of solids. We know this. Okay, now it will be equal to 0.15 ms. Okay, what will be the volume of solids? Volume of solids, what will be the volume of solids? Will it be equal to ms upon g rho w? कैसे भैया, ये कैसे आया? Let us see. देखिए, हमें पता है कि डेंसिटी किसी भी मटेरियल का इक्वल टू मास ऑफ दैट मटेरियल बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट मटेरियल होता है. तो वॉल्यूम उसी मटेरियल का मास बाय डेंसिटी हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है, लेकिन ऑल्सो वी हैव टू सी दैट जी स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ ए मटेरियल इज इक्वल टू डेंसिटी ऑफ दैट मटेरियल बाय डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर. तो डेंसिटी ऑफ दैट मटेरियल विल बी इक्वल टू, दिस विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड हियर, दैट इज जी रो डब्ल्यू. ठीक है, तो ये हमें पता है. ठीक है, अब इसी डेंसिटी को अगर यहाँ पुट कर दे तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं वॉल्यूम ऑफ मटेरियल इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ दैट मटेरियल डिवाइडेड बाय स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ दैट मटेरियल इनटू रो डब्ल्यू, दैट इज डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट दिस. ओके, सो व्हाट वी सॉ इन प्रीवियस स्लाइड, volume of solids we have written as mass of solids by specific gravity of solids into rho w. So it is correct. Okay, Okay, volume of solids is equal to mass of solids upon g rho w is equal to mass of solids upon, we know that g has been given as 2.69, and we also know that rho w is always equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. So Vs is equal to ms upon 2690 meter cube. Okay. What will be the volume of water? Volume of water will be equal to simply mass of water by density of water. Okay, and we have obtained earlier that mass of water is equal to this. Okay, so volume of water is equal to mass of water upon density of water. Mass of water we have obtained as 0.15 ms divided by 1000. Okay, so it will be equal to 0.15 into 10 to power minus 3 ms meter cube volume of water. Correct? Okay, we have obtained this also. Now moving ahead, total volume of sample. Total volume of sample. What will be equal to total volume of sample? V is equal to, it is cylindrical, so pi by 4, 0.05 square into 0.10. How? We know that it is pi r square h, volume of a cylinder, or pi by 4 d square h. Diameter has been provided as 50 mm. When converted into meter, you will get it 0.05, and when 100 mm, that is the length, converted into meter, it will be 0.10 meter. Okay, so the volume of the sample will be equal to 196.35 into 10 to power minus 6 meter cube. Okay, now what is volume of air? We know that percentage air void is equal to volume of air upon total volume. So volume of air is equal to nothing but Na into total volume. Okay, or volume of air is equal to 0.20 into what is the total volume? Total volume is 196.35 into 10 to power minus 6, what we have obtained earlier. Okay, so volume of air will be equal to 39.27 into 10 to power minus 6 meter cube. Okay, meter cube. Now volume of solids plus volume of water plus volume of air is equal to total volume. Volume of solids we have obtained as ms upon 2690 plus volume of water we have obtained as 0.15 into 10 to power minus 3 ms plus volume of air we have obtained as 39.27 into 10 to power minus 6, and all this should be equal to total volume. What is total volume? Total volume we have obtained as, that is volume of the sample, 39.27 into 10 to power minus 6. Okay, now you can simply solve it, and after solving you will get that ms, mass of the solids, is equal to 0.301 kg. Okay, so what will be the mass of water? It will be equal to 0.15 into 0.301, that is equal to 0.045 kg. So what we had to find was mass of the soil and water required. So we know the mass of the solids, we know the mass of the water. Okay, so we can also calculate mass of the soil. What will be the mass of the soil? Obviously it will be this plus this plus this. Okay, so that's it in this numerical. Thank you very much.